So let me show you with more details. Here you have the cross badge and the word badge. Let me show you one. You only need to take off and then put it here and use it. It's very easy. Take off, store in the same place. Come with 4. Here, this is a safe lock. So you push here in the lock, and then you can take off. This is the knife. This is for can opener and internal hexagonal wrench here. Another one is the slot type screwdriver here in front. And this here is a file. And the last one is the saw. It is very compact. I really recommend it. Very easy to use and safely with the lock, with the safe lock. So let's try it.
All-in-one multi-tool wrench. It is a pocket-sized multi-tool wrench gadget including adjustable portable wrench, Allen key, serrated knife, bottle opening, can opener, nail file, flathead screwdriver, wood cutting saw, 4 types of screwdrivers suitable for various scenarios. This multi-purpose wrench meets your need in daily life and outdoor adventures, camping, regular repair, home improvement, carpentry, and different projects. It is a compact, portable design. This multi-tool wrench can conveniently tag along on all your adventure. You can put this multifunctional gadget in your pocket or on your belt when you need it. The lightweight size is perfect for outdoor camping, fishing, hiking, survival hunting, picnics, or road trips. This multi-tool wrench prioritizes user comfort and safety, which it is ergonomic handle. It provides a secure, user-friendly grip, reducing the risk of slippage and ensuring a comfortable hold so you can bid farewell to accidents and fatigue during the extended use. This tool it is ingenious design that neatly hides the screw head mounting clamp, saving your space along 4 types of screw bits including Phillips screwdriver, slot screwdriver, Allen screwdriver, H3 Allen screwdriver, T10. It is simplify your toolbox, making it the multiple replacement for bulky equipment. This is the perfect gift for anyone looking to expand their toolbox. Each of these cool gadgets are ideal for birthday, holidays, and special occasions. This gift is suitable for enthusiasts, handyman, fathers, boyfriend, man, husband, or anyone who appreciates handy tools. It is also a fantastic stocking stuffer for adults. I really recommend it.